What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. Y'all, I miss y'all. I'm so used to posting every day. It's been crazy without a car. I mean, I've been getting rides here and there and trying to do what I can do, but y'all, it is so hard. Then catching Ubers and Lyfts, they bust you upside your head on these prices. It's ridiculous. But in today's video, y'all, I got some deals that you can do at Smith's, Kroger's, or the sister stores, because I know all of them basically have the same deals. Then I did some weekly deals at Walgreens. These deals right here should be good all week long. So you don't have to get up on the deals right now, but make sure you don't sleep on some of these deals because some of these items will be gone, cleared off the shelf. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, and that's if there's any. like, I mean, I don't even know what to say, y'all. I'm just so happy to be doing a video. But to all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. Plus, y'all, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. Probably I'm gonna be doing two $50 gift cards. Don't know what store yet, but I'm trying to reach a certain goal on my subscribers. So if you are a new subscriber, you could be a lucky winner and win a gift card. I will probably be doing the drawing here in March. I'm going to let February play on out to see if I can get any more new subscribers. But yes, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I already did a giveaway when I reached, I think it was 1,000 subscribers. It's like I'm at a standstill right now. It's not looking good on my channel. So, therefore, I will be doing another giveaway, but you have to be subscribed and make sure you have your post notifications on. So, with that being said, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, here is some items I got from Smith's, also known as Kroger's. And y'all, I kind of hate this is an online order, but you can get these items in store. And it's kind of good when you can go to the store and actually see what they have in stock, because if not, people will pick up anything. They don't care as long as they fill in the order or whatever I'm trying to say. But yeah, people do not care when they are filling these orders because they tend to pick up anything. But let's get to the gain flings. Okay, y'all, the deal is supposed to be on the $9.99 flings. We have a $2 off, making them $7.99. But they picked up the wrong ones. They picked up the 19 count, which was no, these was right. The 19 count is $7.99, and you get $2 off. But then they picked up a smaller. The 16 was $5.99, so I didn't get no coupon off on that. So make sure you pick up the ones that are $9.99. You get $2 off, making them $7.99. Now on the Lysol, I did get the purple kind, but it was sold out. But these are still $2.99. We have $1 off, making them $1.99, and you can use that coupon up to 5 times. Yes, 5 times. Then on the Nivea, they are $6.99. We have $1.50 off, making them $5.49. You can use that up to 5 times, but I just had got 2 of those. Finish is $4.99. We have $2 coming off, making that $2.99. And I decided to go with the 18 count, and the other bag has like 11 in them or something, but I decided to go with the one that has more so you can get more for your money. Then on the Airwicks, they are buy one, get one free. So you're going to be paying $6.49 for 2 Airwicks. Not a bad price, y'all. Then on the women's big Soleils, they were $5.99. We have $2 off, making them $3.99. And you can use that coupon up to 5 times. So I threw in men's razors. They were a little cheaper at $5.29. With that $2 off, made them $3.29. Then on the Scott toilet paper, 12 equals 24 rolls. It is $6.99. We have a $2 off, making it $4.99, and I got two of those as well. Then the thing is, on the towel paper, y'all, they picked up the wrong one, which is supposed to be the 6 equals 9 rows. It is on sale for well, we have a coupon making it $5.99. So they grabbed the 8 equals 16, and this was expensive, y'all. I think it was like 11 or 12 something dollars. I don't know, but it was supposed to be the 6 equal 9 rows. So I guess they didn't have it in the store, so they picked up two of those. Then on the Tide, y'all, it is $12.99. We have a $5 coupon, making it $7.99, and you can use that coupon up to 5 times as well. So most of these coupons, you can use them more than once, which is a good thing. But I just was showing y'all some of the weekly deals they had going on at Smith's, Kroger's, or their sister stores. So be sure to stop in there and check it out. Like if you're making a grocery run and want to do a little coupon, and they do have some alright things on sale. Now, since we looked at the Smith's items, let's get into these Walgreens deals, because Walgreens is popping, y'all, especially with their clearance body wash and all of that. So let's get into some of these Walgreens deals. Okay, y'all, here's my first transaction I did at Walgreens. And excuse me, but I did have Scope mouthwash to go with that Crest, but I had to grab it for this lady, so that's why it's not in the video. But other than that, this is everything I had got. Starting off with the Bounty Essentials towel paper. They are $4.99. We have $1 off, making them $3.99. Then on the Charmin Essentials, they are also $4.99. So two of them was $9.98. Have $1 off, making it $8.98 for the two. So all three of these was $12.97. You get back a $5 register reward, making them $7.97 or $2.65 each. Haven't been this cheap in a while, y'all. So stock up on y'all Bounty and Charmin, because it is very nice price right now, $4.99, and we get $1 off. And if you get 3 or more, you get $5 back. Then on the Febreze, it was $3.99. We have a $2 off, making it $1.99. And they do have some cheaper than $3.99. I just haven't had this smell in a while. Wanted to get it, but y'all, my coupon didn't even come off. And that's the thing. I was getting a ride to Walgreens, so I thought I had all my coupons and stuff clipped, but I didn't, wasn't able to look at my receipt until I came home, because I noticed when she hit me with the total, it was kind of high, but it was already a line of people behind me in the store and somebody waiting on me to come out. So I really didn't have time to triple and double check everything. But we do have a $2 off on the Febreze, but mine did not come off, maybe because I didn't have it clipped or something happened. I'm gonna have to double check that. Then on the Crest, they were 2 for $5. We have as totaling 10. We have a $4 coming off, making them 6. Get back $4 Walgreens cash, making them $2 or $1 each. So I had clipped the coupon to where if you get two Oral-B products or something, you get $4 Walgreens cash back. So that's how I got some of the money back on my account. Then for the Colgate, I just grabbed two of the Optic White, what are they, stain fighters. They were $4 each, totaling $8. We have a $3 coming off, making them five. Get back $3 register rewards, making them $2 or $1 each. My coupon didn't come off for these either, y'all. I was supposed to get $3 off. Didn't come off, but it is a coupon that attaches to these. So the total for these items was $30.96. I got back $8 in register rewards and $10.36 Walgreens cash. I didn't use no register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the total. So, and the $10, I know four of it is from the Crest, but the other, I don't know what it's from, y'all. I don't know what coupon I had clipped, nothing, not gonna lie. But I got back $10.36 Walgreens cash, making all of these items $12.60 or $1.57 each. So that's what I paid for that, even though I did have a couple hiccups with the coupons not coming off. But that's what I had on the first transaction. Now let's jump into the second transaction. Okay, y'all, here's my second transaction at Walgreens. And y'all, I was having all types of little hiccups today, but I'ma just take this on the chin and next time take more time to focus on the couponing in hand instead of rushing. But starting off, I'm not in no particular order on this. I'ma just go to the Nivea body wash. And it's the big 30-ounce one, y'all. It was on clearance for $6.49. Had $2 coupon, making it $4.49. Then on the Downy beads, it was $12.99. We had $3 off, making it $9.99. Then on the Tide with Downy, the little Tide liquid, the Downy Calm, and the Bounce dryer sheets, all of them was $5.49, and they supposed to be $21.96. But all of them had $1 off, making them $4.49. So that was $17.96. You paid that, you gonna get your $5 register reward back, making it all four of them $12.96 or $3.24 each. Then I had got some medicine, which you supposed to get $5 back when you get two. So the Mucinex was $11.99. We have a $2 coupon off, making it $9.99. Then on the Walgreens Tussin, it was $6.79, and they had buy one get one 50%, but all the medicine was basically gone, so I had to make it do what it do. But for these two, it was $16.78. You get $5 Walgreens cash back, making both of these $11.78 or $5.89 each. And then on the men's Dove, they were $8 each, totaling 16. We got a $8 coupon off. So y'all, it's gonna make the total $8 for two. Basically like buy one get one free. Then you gonna get a $3 register reward back, making these $5 or $2.50 each. So the Dove is a good price this week. So the total for all of these items was $50.22. I got back $8 in Walgreens cash and $3 register rewards. And I'm missing $5 of Walgreens cash. I don't know if it was from the laundry or the medicine, but I am missing $5 Walgreens cash. So the total for all of these items was $39.22 for the final cost, making each item $3.92 each, which was not bad, even though I'm still missing $5 register rewards. Now let's get into the last transaction, and then we are going to end this video. Okay, y'all, here is my last Walgreens transaction. First off, we gonna take a look at the Walgreens razor blades. This week they are buy one get one 50%. So one was $5.99, the other one was $2.99, totaling $8.98. Paid that, get back $2 Walgreens cash, making them $6.98 for the both of them. And they do have some cheaper ones. I think they like $2.99, but all of them was wiped out, and these were the only two I found that was 5 something. Then they had some more that were like 7 something, and I was like, oh no, I'm not getting those. And if I'm not mistaken, I thought we had a coupon to go with the Walgreens razors, but none popped up for me. But always scan your items to check to see if you have coupons. Even if I say we don't, still, or if I say we do, still check to see if items, because everybody's account is different and everybody be having different coupons. Okay, last 2 items were on the Olays. The blue Olay was $7.49 on clearance, and the pink one was $8.29 on clearance. These are regularly $14.99 body washes, y'all. So if I could grab them up at $7 and $8, I'm gonna do just that. I didn't have no coupons attaching. I thought the 7 off of 2 would attach, but it did not come off my receipt. So I just got these items because they were on clearance. Now the total, I had $6 in register rewards, so I paid with that. Made the total drop down to $18.76, making each item $4.69 for each item. And then on top of that, they gave me a $5 register reward with the 2 body washes. So if you can find these, you will get back a $5 register reward, and they giving me to the 16th to use it. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deal I'll be dropping next. And like I'm saying, if you are watching and not subscribed, what are you waiting for? I will be doing a giveaway around March, and I am looking for people to be subscribing, commenting, and turning on those post notifications so they don't miss out. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.